Hey, how's everybody doing? This is your preferred realtor, Jason Ferreira, and I'm here in Ware Shows in the countryside looking at this property. I just showed it to a couple, and the thing that I found amazing about this property is that you can make it into homes, or you can live by yourself here in 6 bedrooms in 3.22 acres. So you have a lot of land in the countryside. You're not far from Greenville. You're about 45 minutes, and if you get some bad traffic, you about an hour tops, from here. So you have a lot of space out here. That's what I love about South Carolina. You can find properties like this for under $400,000. No, you can't find it anywhere else. You might be able to find it somewhere else, but you cannot find the value of being near a city like Greenville, like Lawrence, and all the cities around it. So this house has 3 bedrooms upstairs and 3 bedrooms downstairs, 2 hookups for the laundry. One hookup is downstairs, the other hookups is upstairs. So you can easily convert it into 2 properties, or you can just live in a big house with 6 bedrooms. I would buy this house to live, if you're working in Greenville, about 45 minutes from Greenville. We have a nice commute because you have the countryside. I personally love the countryside. I like driving in the countryside, driving the side of the road, stopping to see the hay fields, which I love. And you have so much space. You have endless possibilities here. You can have the family over. You can do whatever you want in this. So this market is still a seller's market. Here in Greenville, we have inventory in the market. You don't have a lot of inventory, as I would say it's a buyer market. But properties like this, I have access to many properties like this, and I have many buyers looking for properties like this. So I decided to make a video on this property just to show you and showcase what you can get in South Carolina for under $400,000. If you're interested in a property like this, something like this with 3 acres, you can definitely send me a text. You can call me. I'm always on my phone. Especially during the day, you can call me, and I'll be more than happy to set something up. So we can have a buyer consultation. I can jump on Google Meet. And let's say you feel out of state and you cannot come here for a buyer consultation. Of course, you don't have to come here. We can go on Google Meet, and I can show you how the market is moving in this area, in Greenville, Spartanburg, wherever you want in South Carolina. I can look at the numbers and I can see where the market is going. So with the Fed expected to cut rates next year, that's what the headlines are saying. And the houses are going to go up in price because each 1% in the mortgage rate that drops, the house on average is going to go up $10,000. I'm telling all my buyers and my friends that if you want to buy, now is the time. So there's a big possibility of the rates coming down next year. The prices are going to go up substantially. So if you want to schedule something, get on the phone with me or in a Google Meet. I can show you where the market is moving in South Carolina. Whether you're an investor, a first-time buyer, I can definitely guide you and help you to get a house out here in South Carolina. This is your realtor, Jason Ferreira, out.